Hi there, and welcome back to Dimple's World. Today I'm super excited to share something amazing with you. It's the beautiful greeting called Namaste. So, what is Namaste? It's not just a simple hello, it's like a magical word that's filled with respect, love, and kindness. When someone says Namaste, they do something really special. They bring their hands together like this, just in front of their heart, and give a little nod. It's like creating a heart shaped secret with their hands. Namaste is not just a greeting, it's a way of showing that you really care about the person you're meeting. It's like saying, I see you and I think you're awesome. People use Namaste when they meet their friends, family, teachers, and even people they're meeting for the very first time. It's like a secret code for spreading good vibes and making everyone feel welcome and respected. In India, Namaste is used as a way of showing respect to teachers and people who are older. It's like saying, I honor you and I'm thankful for what you teach me. And you know what's really amazing? Some people even say Namaste to the world around them. They might say it to a beautiful tree, a shiny river, or even the glowing sun. It's like showing respect for the whole world. Sometimes when people gather together for something special, they all say Namaste to each other. It's a way of making a promise to be kind and respectful while they're together. Namaste is not just for regular days, it's also used during special celebrations. People greet each other with Namaste to make those moments even more joyful. So, my dear friends, Namaste is a magical word that helps spread love and respect. It's a way of saying hello with a big heart and a friendly smile. But before we go, remember to like this video, subscribe to Dimple's World for more fun stuff, and always spread love and compassion wherever you go, just like when you say Namaste.